Le Crédit Lyonnais review. My honest experience with the French bank's services. If you're living in France or planning to open an account there, Le Crédit Lyonnais is a popular choice. I recently tested their services, both in branch and online, and here's my honest review. Most people assume that French banks are all the same, but here's the truth. Le stands out for combining traditional banking with modern digital tools. Opening an account was straightforward, requiring basic identification and proof of residence. Online account setup and the mobile app were intuitive, allowing me to check balances, transfer funds and pay bills quickly. Customer service was helpful in branch, although sometimes queues can be long during peak hours. The bank offers a range of products including checking accounts, savings plans, credit cards and personal loans. These are competitive, but some services, like international transfers, may incur extra charges. A mobile app is convenient for day-to-day banking and includes features like instant notifications, budget tracking, and secure card management. I also tested LCL's online investment platform, which is simple enough for beginners yet provides sufficient options for experienced investors. Limitations. Some banking processes, particularly paperwork for loans or account modifications, can be slower than fully digital banks. Also, in smaller towns, branch availability is limited, so relying on the app is essential. Overall, Le Crédit Lyonnais offers a solid balance of traditional banking support and modern digital convenience. It's suitable for residents, expatriates, and anyone needing reliable banking services in France. If you want a mix of strong customer service, accessible branches, and robust digital tools, Le is worth considering.